relationship. Medyo nakaka-question ko ang bigat na. Relationships are important to teenager as the heir to a man. Having or maintaining personal relationships with the opposite sex, however, is one of the debatable topics in most, if not all, households. Do you think that having a personal